You're handling yours better than I handled mine.
I try not to fight the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at some in the internet. It's called a Pico switch. What it is like a relay switch.
Yeah.
I've seen some from Hobby King, but they don't have any. They're out of stock. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a triggering for a rocket.
Oh?
So, yeah, this way I can use the switch, and the switch will set a spark. Is that your phone?
Yeah. I hear it, but I didn't think I had it. Oh, it's nobody. I get a lot of calls. They've sold my number. I never I never answer a number I don't know. It's not identified. Well, you're doing real well with that one. I think the wind died down maybe just a little tiny bit. Not much.
Definitely picks up speed when it's downwind.
Yeah, that's 4-cell.
Yeah.
64. Yeah. All right. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. I couldn't get this thing to lift off yesterday because of the, it kept wanting to pull north into the wind every doggone time. And it didn't feel like it had sufficient power to go, so I gave it a little bit more up.
Yeah.
And I'm going to give it a try here now and see. Well, finally, after going to another radio and switching both aileron 1 and aileron 2, it started working. So now all I have to do is set up my throws and bring it out to the field. I'm not wanting to tear it up right away. So, not no big hurry. 55 degrees, but my ears a little bit chilly.
That's perfect. Good weather, man, I tell you.
It is. Well, okay, today's April the 4th, 2019. This is Free Wing A10 64 millimeter 4-cell 3200. Gonna give it a try. Yesterday it didn't do too hot. Couldn't get it off the ground. Alright. Still the same. I don't know what's wrong with my nose wheel.
Why don't you,
That's minimum throw, and yet
what do you call it? Yeah, make the expo less.
less.
Lighter. Yeah. I mean, you know, add more expo to it so it's not so touchy.
Okay. got 26%. Now I got 77%. Oh, it heads off one direction, then I correct it and it goes the other way, and
Now, why is your motor switching?
huh? Oh, one of them isn't moving at all.
So your ESC then.
Oh.
Rebind it again.
Huh?
Rebind again. Turn it off.
Maybe that one, I know why it's going off to the direction. One of the motors isn't working. 04 2019 F-35.
It definitely makes landing and takeoff a little bit easier.
Man, look at that sucker whistle. I think I picked up speed with that tailwind.
Oh yeah. You come across.
Yeah.
East to west.
Yeah, that tailwind. Uh-oh. Come on now, up. Come on. I was way over the gardens. Yeah. That wind was just blowing me away. This is almost all wing area.
This F-18 does really well.
Yeah, well, this one here is not doing so well. And I flew right over top of us. Yeah, me too. I'm having a heck of a time trying to get down. Well, oh, doggone. I'm down without breaking it. You're right. Man, I tell you, I was all over.